Hello everyone, I am Damla Akdoman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are crocheting a sparkling vest using Papatya Batik glitter yarn, perfect for the New Year spirit. As I mentioned in this project, I'm using Papatya Batik glitter yarn. Since we are close to the New Year, I want to make something a little shiny and festive. We are making a very simple and practical vest. I will use a 3mm crochet hook. This vest is suitable for sizes EU 36 to 40. If you like your vest longer than the one I am wearing, you can simply crochet the starting rectangle longer. I made mine 140 centimeters long. The width is 23 centimeters, completed in 14 rows. Please focus on the measurements in centimeters rather than the row count, because depending on your yarn, you may reach the same measurement with more or fewer rows. Now, let's begin setting up the pattern. I've shared this stitch pattern several times before on my channel, but let's crochet together once again. Chain as long as you want your vest to be. I started with 140 centimeters, but I will demonstrate it with a smaller sample. After reaching your desired length, chain 3 more. Work a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Make 3 double crochets together. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and work 3 double crochets into the next chain. Repeat this pattern across. At the end of the row, begin and finish with 4 stitches, instead of 3 like the pattern repeats in the middle. For the next row, chain 4 at the beginning. Work single crochet into the chain spaces. In the middle sections, chain 3 between spaces. At the beginning and end of the row, chain 4. Then chain 3 to rise. Work 3 double crochets into each chain space. Chain 1 between each group. Repeat across. That's the entire stitch pattern, very easy and beginner friendly. Continue until you reach your desired measurements. For the size references, I made the width 23 centimeters. For a size 36, even 20 centimeters would be enough. You can increase width slightly for sizes 42 to 44. After finishing the main long rectangle, lay it flat. From one corner, measure about 46 to 47 centimeters and place a stitch marker. Count 25 stitch boxes. Do the same on the other side. The middle section between the markers measures about 42 centimeters. This will be the back of the vest. Now, we crochet upward from the marked middle section to form the back panel. Turn your work to the wrong side, since the chain section is worked from the reverse side. Attach yarn with a single crochet at the stitch marker, chain 4 to begin, and continue the same pattern between the markers. I worked 26 rows for this back section, which measured about 50 centimeters in length. Once finished, we'll shape the vest by folding and joining the sides. To assemble, fold the piece with wrong side facing. Align the edges. Leave 10 stitch boxes, about 20 centimeters, for the armhole. The remaining 16 stitch boxes will be joined for the side seam. You can join either by sewing or by slip stitching, single crocheting the edges together. I use single crochet to join, working through corresponding spaces on both sides. Be careful not to pull the yarn too tightly while joining. We have crocheted one of the easiest and most practical vests ever. You can easily throw it over a sweater and go. This pattern will also look adorable with foxful yarn, especially styled over a turtleneck with a nice bottom detail. This version turned out beautifully sparkly and festive thanks to Papatya Batik glitter. It fits sizes 36 to 40. I used only 2 skeins, 200 grams total. If you want a longer, wider, or larger size, I recommend getting 3 skeins. For a child size, 2 skeins will definitely be enough. I hope this video was clear and helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will make me very happy. Thank you so much to everyone who watched until the end. See you in the next video. Goodbye!